You manage to invest $400,000 by the time you retire. If your investments make 10% annual interest, how much do you earn in interest each year, essentially for free? $400,000 times 0.10 is $40,000. You leave $50,000 in an EQ bank account and earn a guaranteed annual interest rate of 2%. If you spend $1,000 each year from this account, what will be your balance 5 years from now? The answer is $50,000. There's no change in your balance. Each year you earn $1,000 in interest, and then you spend that same amount, so there's no change in your bank balance. We multiply $50,000 times 0.02, and the result is a free $1,000 each year indefinitely. If you manage to save $1 million by the time you retire, why is it overly optimistic to be able to spend $100,000 each year indefinitely? The stock market does not always go up by 10% each year. It's not guaranteed whatsoever. There's a sequence of returns risk. If, for example, the stock market plunges by half, 10% of $500,000 will only produce $50,000 in that year. So even though you spend your whole lifetime saving $1 million, the next year it might plunge to half that amount. And now we can no longer rely upon the annual $100,000 per year. From now on, we only make $50,000 per year. You become an oncologist and make $400,000 as an annual salary. If you are taxed at a rate of 40%, estimate your daily budget. So we find, using the Wealthsimple income tax calculator, that we're taxed approximately 40%. Now, 40% losing this amount means you're keeping 60% or 0.60. So we multiply this hefty annual income, and we get $240,000 actual spending power, which is a lot less. Now we divide this amount by 365 days, and we get the daily actual net income, which is around $657. You negotiate with your bank to waive your $30 per month banking fees because of your high account balance. Perhaps you have more than $5,000, you can actually ask, and they can actually waive all those $20 or $30 fees per month. How much do you save in monthly fees over the course of a decade? This is $3,600 and much more if you invest this amount. We have $30 per month times 12 is $360 per year, multiplied by 10 is $3,600. Why should paying off debts be a priority over borrowing more money to invest more? Risk carries a true cost, and you have peace of mind when you are debt-free. Now, the truth is some people do become quite wealthy by taking risk. But by taking risk, you can not only grow quickly rich, you can also grow quickly poor. This is the reason why even some billionaires have gone broke. Suppose the regular price of a PS5 is $630. You have a coupon for 20% off. How much does the PS5 on sale cost now? When we have 20% off, it means we're paying 100 minus 20%, which is 80%. Essentially, we take the price and we multiply by 0.80, which is $504. You pay off half your mortgage on a $1 million home and own a car worth $30,000. But you owe $20,000 on your credit line. What is your net worth? Your net worth is all your assets, positive money, minus all your liabilities, everything that you owe. So paying off half your mortgage means that you actually are worth $500,000 plus your car, $30,000, minus what you owe, your liabilities, $20,000 IOU on your credit line. So this total amount is $510,000. You are half a millionaire.